Welcome to our underwater exploration. Today we venture into the coral reefs to observe one of the ocean's most formidable creatures, the mantis shrimp. Don't be fooled by their diminutive size. These creatures are armed with incredible strength and astonishing adaptations. Join me as we uncover the secrets of these tiny warriors, masters of their domain. The coral reef, a bustling metropolis of life, is where our story unfolds. Here, amongst the coral branches and rocky crevices, the mantis shrimp has made its home. Each mantis shrimp is a solitary creature, the king or queen of their own underwater castle. And like any good monarch, they are fiercely protective of their realm. Should an intruder dare to venture too close, the mantis shrimp rises to the challenge. Their vibrant colors are a warning to any would-be trespasser. These colors are a language, a way for the mantis shrimp to communicate its strength and readiness to defend its territory, their weapon of choice, a pair of powerful hammer-like claws capable of delivering blows that would shame a heavyweight boxer. In the coral reef, where resources are precious and competition is fierce, a well-defended territory can mean the difference between life and death. So the next time you find yourself gazing upon a coral reef, remember the tiny warriors that call it home. The mantis shrimp is not merely a defender, but also a skilled hunter, employing a range of tactics as diverse as the coral reefs they inhabit. Broadly speaking, there are two main types of mantis shrimp, each with its own unique hunting strategy: the smashers and the spearers. The smashers, as their name suggests, are the heavyweights of the mantis shrimp world. Their club-like appendages are evolutionary marvels, capable of unleashing blows of extraordinary power. Imagine the force of a bullet concentrated into a single devastating strike. Their prey crabs, snails, and even other mantis shrimp stand little chance against this brute force. The spearers, on the other hand, are masters of speed and precision. Their claws, long and sharp like a rapier, are perfectly designed for piercing the water with minimal resistance. A spearer lies in wait, its body perfectly still, its eyes scanning the water for any sign of movement, and then, with a flick of its wrist, the spearer strikes. The mantis shrimp's strike is a thing of both beauty and brutality, a testament to the raw power that nature can unleash. To truly appreciate this feat, we must slow down time itself to witness the events that unfold in the blink of an eye. Imagine a mantis shrimp poised to strike, its club-like appendage cocked back like a spring. In a fraction of a second, the muscles contract, unleashing a torrent of energy. The club shoots forward, accelerating with a speed that defies belief. The mantis shrimp's club can reach speeds of up to 51 miles per hour, generating forces that are hundreds of times the creature's own weight. As the club rips through the water, it creates a phenomenon known as cavitation. Tiny bubbles form in the water only to collapse a moment later with tremendous force. This cavitation bubble collapse produces a secondary shockwave, adding to the impact of the initial strike. While most mantis shrimp are solitary creatures, their lives dictated by the rhythms of the reef, some species exhibit social behaviors that are both complex and surprising. These social interactions reveal a hidden depth to these fascinating creatures. Take, for instance, the ritualized fighting that takes place between mantis shrimp of the same species. These are not battles to the death, but rather carefully choreographed displays of strength and dominance. Combatants size each other up, their antennae twitching, their bodies poised to strike. Blows are exchanged, but they are often ritualistic, aimed at the opponent's claws rather than their vulnerable bodies. These duels serve a vital purpose in mantis shrimp society. They establish a hierarchy, a pecking order that helps to maintain peace and stability within the community. The victor claims bragging rights and access to the best resources, ensuring the survival of the strongest individuals. Even more remarkable are the monogamous relationships formed by certain mantis shrimp species. The world as perceived by a mantis shrimp is a symphony of color and light, far exceeding the capabilities of our own limited vision. Their eyes, perched atop stalks and constantly scanning their surroundings, are among the most complex in the animal kingdom. Consider that our own eyes possess 3 types of color receptors, allowing us to perceive a spectrum of colors ranging from red to violet. The mantis shrimp, however, puts our visual prowess to shame. Their eyes boast up to 16 types of color receptors, enabling them to see a world awash in hues we can only imagine. They can also perceive ultraviolet light, a wavelength invisible to the human eye. This ability grants them a unique advantage in the depths of the ocean, where sunlight fades and colors become muted. Ultraviolet light penetrates deeper into the water, allowing mantis shrimp to spot prey and potential mates, even in the dimmest of environments. Their eyes can also move independently of each other, rotating up to 70 degrees, granting them an almost panoramic view of their surroundings. This remarkable adaptation allows them to track multiple objects simultaneously, making them incredibly efficient hunters and vigilant defenders of their territory. The mantis shrimp's realm is a world of hidden wonders, a place where the boundaries between land and sea blur. They are creatures of the tropics and subtropics, their lives inextricably linked to the coral reefs and rocky shores that provide both sustenance and sanctuary. Picture a shallow lagoon, its waters warmed by the tropical sun. Here, amidst the vibrant coral formations and swaying seagrass beds, the mantis shrimp makes its home. They are master excavators, using their powerful claws to carve out intricate burrows in the sandy or rocky substrate. These burrows provide protection from predators, a safe haven for raising young, and a strategic vantage point from which to ambush unsuspecting prey. The mantis shrimp is a meticulous housekeeper, diligently maintaining its burrow and keeping it free from debris. Life in the burrow, however, is not without its challenges. The constant ebb and flow of the tides can leave burrows exposed to the elements, forcing the mantis shrimp to retreat deeper into their subterranean refuge. Despite these challenges, the mantis shrimp thrives in this dynamic environment. And so we leave the realm of the mantis shrimp, a microcosm of the ocean's boundless wonders. These remarkable creatures, armed with their powerful claws and extraordinary vision, remind us that even the smallest of creatures can possess the most astonishing adaptations. Their world, a kaleidoscope of color and constant motion, is a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of the ocean and uncover more secrets of the deep sea.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.